Hello, techies! Alright, we are in lab 5.3.5 and we're going to configure a perimeter firewall. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You recently placed a web server in the demilitarized zone, DMZ. You need to configure the perimeter firewall on the network security appliance pfSense to allow access from the WAN to the web server in the DMZ using both HTTP and HTTPS. You also want to allow all traffic from the LAN network to the DMZ network. So in this lab, your task is to access the pfSense management console and configure a firewall route to HTTP. Alright, so let's just go ahead and start up lab. Now, in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. So match every move I make, every step I take in this video so that you'll be able to get this right. So we just wait for this to load. And alright, so this has loaded. We just input the username and password provided for us. So the username is going to be admin and the password, let's just copy and paste the password because of time. But you can always type it in yourself if you prefer to. Alright, so we'll go ahead and enter. Now we are inside the console. We want to go into firewall and click on rules. Under rules, you want to go to DMZ and let's go to add. So we just scroll down. Under source, we click on, we change this to OneNet, and under destination, this is going to be single host or alias, and the destination address. For the destination address, let's see what we have. Destination address, let's see. Destination address is going to be 172.16.1.5. So we just copy and paste here. Okay, so destination port range for this is going to be HTTP 80, and then scroll down, and for the description according to the description given here is HTTP from 1 to DMZ. So we just copy and paste because of time, but you can always type it in yourself if you choose to. So we copy and paste in here, and we go ahead and save. So we apply changes, and we go to click on edit here, and let's go to change this to HTTPS, that's 443, and then the description for this, let's see what the description is. The description for this is going to be this, so we just copy and paste because of time, but you can always type it in yourself if you choose to. So we just copy and paste here, and we go ahead and save. Alright, so this is done. We apply changes, and we go over here and click on add. So the protocol, let's say for the protocol is going to be any. Change this to any, and the source. For the source, we're going to change this to LAN net, and for the destination, we're going to change this to DMZ net. So for the description, let's see what we have for the description. The description, this is going to be the description here. So we just copy and paste. land to DMZ any. So we just copy this and paste it in here because of time, but you can always type it in yourself if you choose to. So when you're done with that, you go ahead and click save. Okay, we'll apply changes and go ahead and score lab. Now if you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel, comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.